Hi, my name is Officer Holly. I'm a police officer. I protect people and catch criminals who break the law. Do you like to catch burglars? Tap the items on the screen to know more about the things that I use. Flashlight. I use it to see clearly in the dark. Walkie-talkie. I use it to talk to other police officers or the police station. Police car. It is a vehicle in which I chase criminals and patrol the town. Badge. I wear this so people can know I'm from the police department. Handcuffs. I put these on a criminal's hands so they can't escape. Notepad. I use it to record details and make notes. Can you help me to complete the face of the criminal? I'll describe each feature, and you tap the right one from the three options. Ready? The criminal has golden hair. That's not right. He has brown eyes. You're doing great. The guy has He has a smiling mouth. You're doing great. The criminal also had You did it, Chief! You helped us catch him!